Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the Workplace Inspection Reports module. Workplace inspection reports, which are tailored and named according to the industry a workplace is associated with, are used to assess physical safety within the workplace and identify and document any potential risks or hazards. Like all system modules, this module is accessible via the module navigation menu, and the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To the right of the module name are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below are the main controls. In this case, a plus icon that allows creation of a new record, a download icon in the middle that opens a PDF version of the report for printing and manual completion, and the export icon that exports all the data from this module in CSV format. Depending on the commencement date of your subscription, you may also have a link to an archived records store in this module. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools that are common to most modules in the system. Entering 3 characters or more into the search field presents relevant options. They can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all results. To clear the results and view the full list of records again, either reselect the module from the module navigation menu or clear the text in the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow icon to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows export of the filtered list results in CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list controls is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and extended details of each record in the list view. The up and down arrows to the left and right of the list heading area sorts the records in ascending or descending order by either the report reference number or the date it was created. When a brief summary of each record is displaying in the list, the actions icon to the right of each record pops the actions in a separate window. When the full details of each record is displaying in the list, the action controls are directly accessible in each record itself. Otherwise, the mobile version of this module behaves the same as the desktop version of this module. For more information, please refer to the on-screen help information when logged into your workplace, the tutorial for the desktop version of this module, which includes full details about the field and functions associated with this module and appears when you're logged in on a desktop computer, and the system overview for mobile tutorials on your system's dedicated YouTube channel. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.